Hey fellow YouTubers and drummers, I just wanted to make a quick video and show you today how I made these drumsticks where the backs are covered with moleskin. The regular is regular drumsticks, but it creates a dual purpose, like this side can be used as a mallet and this side is a drumstick. So here we go. So here's the moleskin. There's the drumstick that I'm going to put it on. There's another thing of moleskin. The first thing I'm going to do is take the moleskin and fold it into thirds, like so. And then I'm going to take a razor blade and cut it into the thirds. Sometimes this is the moleskin can be thicker, so you use a razor blade. You can also use scissors, which I'll demonstrate later. But here's the razor blade, and it cuts it pretty firmly. Maybe a couple slices. I don't want to go too deep because I don't want to scratch up my cutting board. But then I take the moleskin and I try to peel off the back because that's where the sticky stuff is. And then I'll take the drumsticks. You can see I already started one. But I'll take the moleskin and I'll peel it off. And then I will put it back on the stick. And then just sort of wrap it around like so. And try to pull it pretty tightly and firmly. I'm sorry that it's sort of off the screen right now, but you can see that I'm trying to wrap it as tight and as firmly as I can so it will stay on the stick. And so the previous thing that I wrapped, moleskin that I wrapped, won't come off the stick. So just something to keep in mind. And there's the pair. Now I decided, there it is. So now I decided that I was going to possibly make it just a little thicker. So I got a thinner thing of moleskin that I can actually cut with a scissor. So I'm going to cut the scissor with the scissor, and then we are going to put this on the drumstick just to add one more little thin layer, so the cymbal doesn't sound too harsh when you do the cymbal rolls. You don't want to get, partly you're trying to use this so you don't get so much attack on the cymbal. So this one gave me a little bit of a struggle, but eventually came off. So there you go. We're going to take it. I'm going to try to wrap it as firmly as we can on the stick. And then we're going to try it with the other one. Now I have a third stick there because I'm subbing on a show, and I just wanted to have a spare stick in case something breaks or something happens. I usually have a spare pair, but the other stick from that pair got a little bit warped, so I'm just going to use that one. But there's a pair.